Shamai, guess where I am? I'm in Carla HQ, UK. Yeah, I've just popped down this morning to drop off all the electroacoustic U basses that I've had great fun playing, reviewing, messing around with for the last few weeks. So today I'm having a quick look at all the solid body U basses. So don't worry, I'll go through them all in a minute, but as you might be able to see, we've got all the different colours here. This is literally the first time I have seen some of these colours in person. There we are, we can see them all a little bit better now. Now remember, I've told you before, Mike Upton, who is Mr. Carla, is a bass player, hence why we get so many different types. So let's just go through them a bit more detail. First of all, starting on the back row, we have got a 5-string fretless. Oh, look at the pickup on that. Then we've got another 5-string fretless, but this time in the tobacco burst. So they are gorgeous. Then we've got one of the new ones. This is the new surf green. Look at that. Very nice. Moving across, we've got a fretted 4-string in tobacco burst, which is in fact my very first U bass, the SB ones that I got in Cheltenham a couple of years ago. Absolutely love it. Then we've got a couple more 5-strings, the black one, this time it's fretted, and the tobacco burst fretted 5-string as well. So moving along the bottom row. Now then, the cream and the pink, it's really nice to see them side by side, to be honest, because quite often the colours don't come out as well as it. They're actually really lovely colours, but it's all to do with the lighting. So I'm just trying to show you the difference between the cream and the light pink on the right hand side. So these are fretted models with the rosewood and the black pickguards. I'll talk about pickguards a little bit more in a second, but they are lovely looking basses. Moving across to this surf blue again, back with the white pickguards, but I didn't realise these have got chrome hardware on these. So if you prefer chrome, you might want to be looking at the new surf blue, this one here. You can just see in the background there the surf green. Oh, look at that candy apple red by there. Along with the black one and the tobacco burst, they were the first 3 colours that got released in the solid body set. And then on the end, we've got the light blue with the black pickguard. What I'm going to do in a minute is swap these around because I want to see that next to the cream and the pink. So yeah, these are all the different colour solid body U basses that Carla are making at the minute.
A few moments later.
Right, I've swapped them around a little bit now. We can see, ooh, look at that. There we are. Those are the 2 brand new colours, surf green on the left and surf blue on the right, with the lovely chrome hardware. They really are. The colours on those just pop. There are. That's the 3 original colours together, the tobacco burst, the black and the candy apple red. And there we go. Those are the other newer colours. We've got the pale blue on the left, the cream in the middle and the pink on the right. So of course those 3 have got black pickguards and black hardware, white pickguards and black hardware, and white pickguards but chrome hardware on the new ones. So yeah, I've done full reviews of all the different models of the Carla solid body U basses, apart from the 5-string fretless. All right, but yeah, if you want to go and check those out for sound demos, all the proper specs and features and stuff, they're already done. But I just thought it was going to be really nice. I haven't seen some of these newer colours So yeah, I just wanted to have a little nose of those as well. Right, I mentioned Pickguards a minute ago, something I'm quite obsessed with because it's a really easy way of customizing your own bass, mini bass, U-bass, whatever you're going to call it. And in fact, the very first thing I did when I got mine was put pearloid pickguards on the tobacco burst and purple pearloids on my black U-basses. So it's a question I get asked loads, so I have asked them here in Carla today because I'd heard rumours that there were going to be like custom pickguards available and things in the future. They're still going to be available in the future. They're looking into it at the moment. So yeah, if you do want to get one of these with a custom pickguard, either wait, ask Carla. There are a few people around now who are making them as well, but they're going to be available in the future. It's nice to see the different colour hardware, the chrome on the new surf green and surf blue. Personally, I love black hardware. I always have done on any of my basses. So yeah, that's a really nice addition though, giving people the option of chrome or black. If you are interested in price, basically the 4 strings retail, the recommended retail price is 350 quid. For the 5 string and 4 string fretted or fretless, 350 quid. For the 5 string fretted or fretless, 450 quid. But that's the recommended retail price. You can often get them much, much cheaper from the individual shops. And as I always say, buy from a specialist shop. You will get much better service and the instruments will be set up and looked at as well. All of these come with a good gig bag with shoulder straps, accessory pockets and things as well. So there's nothing to worry about on that front. And you can get flat wound strings for them. Carla make them. They've had Labella make them for Carla. And so you can get flat wound strings, both 4 string and 5 string. What I really want to do now is plug in a couple of these and play them, but I'm not sure whether or not I'm going to be able to move them all. We'll see now. So there we are, that's my little whiz round all the Carla solid body U-basses in all the colours as well. Oh, I gotta love them. They are a really, really nice mini bass, I promise you. So a massive thank you to Carla, not just for loaning me all of the electro-acoustic U-basses that I've been reviewing and things, that's why I've come down today to return those, but let me have a little look at all of these as well. Oh, talk about a kid in a candy shop. Don't forget, go and check out my electro-acoustic U-bass reviews. There's 10 of those altogether, plus a few comparisons, plus I am going to review my own Carla U-basses that I've had for a little while. If you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below, give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.